I'm Jordi from JorDinner. Welcome to a new episode. Today we're making the Spanakopita. This is a Greek spinach pie basically, which Spanako, I hope I pronounce it the right way. Spanako means spinach and pita means pie. So a spinach pie. So let's start.
First, the ingredients. We have some feta cheese, onion, spinach, an egg, garlic, oil, some dill and some Filo pastry. First we're gonna add our spinach in the bowl, add our onion, cheese and dill and mix this all up together. When it's mixed up, we're gonna add our egg. Mix it up once again and that's your filling. Oh, and don't forget to add your salt and pepper. I'm gonna just use a normal muffin tray and lightly oil it with some olive oil. Now we're gonna add our Filo to the muffin tray. And put your filling in it. Fold the Filo pastry onto itself. Now we're gonna bake it. I also made a bigger one from the leftover Filo pastry. This is just the same procedure, but just a little bit bigger. You can see they're really crispy on the outside. And also the bigger one is very crispy on the outside.
And that's it. I hope you like this recipe and let me know down in the comments which recipe you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video.